What's up, guys? How are y'all doing today? We're doing pretty good. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a little bit rough trying to make some videos around here just because it's been snowing. And today is actually a pretty nice day out. It's like gonna be like 59 degrees or something. So we're gonna break out the sunglasses. But we got our yard looking a little bit better. You can see where all these dead spots used to be. There is some grass coming through, which is really nice because we actually want some nice grass out back here for the kid to play on and for the dog to have and stuff. But other than that, yeah, we just put some weed and feed stuff down so we can get rid of some. There's a few weeds out there. We watered the tree over there pretty good today, and we just spread that stuff all around there. But this center section right here, you can see it through the camera. It's pretty green now. But it used to be like all like this little spot right here where it's super dense and just shitty. But anyways, today we're gonna go pick up some more stuff at Home Depot. We picked this up, pretty good deal, about $5.99 I think it was, for the 6 chairs table. We just put it together. We didn't film anything because, I don't know, man, it's been kind of rough filming. There's nothing to do. We're still waiting on parts for the VR6. And that's pretty much all we're gonna be able to do is wait for parts for a couple more weeks and see where we go. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the fuel filter, fuel lines and all that stuff just because it's kind of cold out still. Tomorrow we may be putting on an exhaust for somebody in the neighborhood here, so see how that goes. It's on a Colorado or Canyon 2016 model, and it's a diesel, so it'd be pretty cool to check that out and throw an exhaust on that. So hopefully he hits me back today to see if he's still down for doing that tomorrow at noon. But today we're going to pick up our dining room table, and y'all can see what this one looks like now. 4 chairs. I mean, this thing's like barely 3 feet wide, not even. It's like 2 foot. Yeah, it's tiny. So we want something a little bit bigger, so if we have company, we can actually all sit at the table. It's kind of dark in here, huh? Yeah. Kind of small for like having a lot of people over and stuff, and it will still fit here because it'll have a leaf in the middle. It's a pretty nice little table. I think we picked that one up for like $6.99 or something like that. But yeah, so we're about to get the baby all ready to go out and go to the Home Depot.
I was about to say you can just go on your own if you want a second feeder.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm going because baby's gonna eat some more. I figured she'd probably eat a little bit more of the food because it's not going to satisfy her as long. Yummies! You guys want to see some funny faces? Look. Check this out. Yeah. Applesauce. It's delicious. Yay, babies. Good. Yummies. No? Eat it. She doesn't really know what to think of the applesauce because it's regular like adult applesauce, so I don't know. But alright, I guess I'm going by myself then?
I guess so. I don't want to make you wait, you're fine. Go.
Okay. Well, I just want to get there and get it done. That way we got some time to put the shit together. So I guess we're hurrying. And here's the Challenger sitting in the old garage. Probably needs a good dusting. We need to still pick up some cleaning supplies for the cars and stuff. We haven't even been out in the garage. Shit, sorry. Other than to kind of organize some stuff. We did get rid of the bumper and the core support in the trash today. Or yesterday, excuse me. We haven't done anything on the garage. Turn on anything. Done literally nothing. The shitbox is still dead. Because we got the radio, everything tore out. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, so let me grab a strap. It sucks, I just put all this shit back. Don't need the car cover. We need a strap though, so we can strap the boxes down. I bet this shit is locked. So we're taking the old Canyon because, you know, I got this tiny little bed back here. Got our gloves and shit over there too. So we will see you guys over at Home Depot. Ew, probably got a nasty GoPro this whole time. Yeah, I'll see you guys at Home Depot. when we pick up the table and do the curbside delivery thing. So, see y'all there. So we are here at the Home Depot, space number 3, waiting for our curbside pickup. We just called and let them know we're here. What is crazy though is that there's actually like a line of people over there, all about 6 feet apart. Like one guy looks like he just needs a freaking propane tank, dude. That's crazy. And I mean, they're literally only letting in like so many people at a time. All the entrances are like, you can see right there, is like closed off. It's crazy. I'm just talking to my camera. But yeah, this is nuts. Goddamn Rona. I'd say for sure that this coronavirus thing is literally is jacking up everybody's day. I mean, like, you literally just have to go get in line over there and then wait to be able to get let in the store. Like, what is happening? It's absolutely crazy. I mean, you can have a conversation from 6 feet away, but you know, whatever. Well, yep. We'll update y'all when we get our table in the truck and are back on the way home. And then we're gonna have a fun time putting this bad boy together for sure. Well, I figure while we wait for our stuff to come out, we might as well just sit here and enjoy the nice sunny day. A little breeze, but it's not like super crazy cold out like it was the last 2 days. So can't wait for some nicer weather so we can sit outside and work on the car and whatnot. Gonna be a lot better. But for now, we're just gonna hang out here, and it's a pretty nice little Toyota, man. Like super mint, nice paint. A little rust spot on the bed, but pretty nice truck. But anyway, yeah, we're just gonna hang out and wait for our stuff, which should hopefully be coming out here pretty quick, because everybody next to me got here after me, so we'll see. Holy shit, I hope that's not my box. That's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna leave y'all up here so y'all can see. Yeah, oh, that seems pretty light. Then I'm gonna go over the wheel wells. True. Yeah, because the wheel wells are plenty far apart. It's the fact that it's so short. That's the part that really, like, kind of sucks.
Yeah, we can lift it up.
That guy might actually.
It'll go in the back.
It should fit. Right there. You're gonna have to tie it down anyway or lift up the tailgate.
Yeah, he can fit it right in there.
Oh man, you know what? Will this fit this way underneath? Right, all right.
Maybe.
Because that's gonna be sitting up like that anyway. We'll see a reason why we can't just get it right there. Alright, she's all strapped down. We got 4 boxes total on this little package here. Don't want nothing flapping around. Alrighty, back to the house we go. Oh, where's my receipt? Receipt! And there y'all go. Y'all can see the freaking line, man. It's crazy. It's all over the place. All the way around that way. Nuts. Making out. She took off my pants. Turned the TV. On the drive home, I called her mom from a payphone. Sorry if it's a little bit windy. Got the windows down on this nice day. So we are back in the area, almost back home. You got our shit back there. Look like a big ass spoiler. This truck's got a lot of downforce now for drifties and shit. Two-wheel drive, so it can do that. We're gonna stop at a gas station, get a little bit of supplies, aka silver sodas, as I'm told, and some lip tobacco. And then we're gonna go on to the house, and we did get some other news. We ordered some cornhole boards from one of the neighbors that lives close, and they're gonna be ready tomorrow, so we gotta pick up some money for that. And then we'll be able to customize those cornhole boards in the next couple days. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. We got a lot of stuff put together. I'm gonna take this one still. We're gonna stop here at the old Loafing Jug. Colorado's got some pretty crazy freaking names for shit. Come and go. Loafing Jug. Jug and Loaf. I don't know, man. I'm just being a fucking idiot. And we're gonna park around the end here, end spot in the old canyon. Oh, that was not social distancing, man. Them motherfuckers just hugged. That's fucked. Those are the guys, they're gonna give everybody the fucking Rona, man. But yeah, we're gonna run in here real quick, pick up some silver sodas and some lip tobacco, and we'll be right back out. See y'all back at the house. And yeah, Haley, I'm pumped. So naturally, I didn't charge the GoPros since probably last week. So now we have to record on the phone because the GoPros died. Well, here's the new table anyways. Oh shit. Won't get cut. Oh shit. Won't fucking cut me? Anyways, yeah, we already put the legs on the table, and then I had to run out. We got Tom and Jerry on the TV over here because the baby's sleeping. Babies. So me and Tasha are gonna put these chairs in the. So we got 4 chairs and a bench, which is gonna get put together. So I think for now we should just put the bench out over here. I don't know. We'll figure out how to set it up in a little while. But I'm gonna get the instructions, get these chairs put together first. Yeah, I had to bring a camo net set to somebody that wanted it. Because, we're trying to sell stuff. Oh, and like I said earlier in the vlog, the cornhole boards will be ready tomorrow. So we pulled out the money at the gas station. And we're going to go pick those up hopefully tomorrow morning-ish. And then we're going to have some special plans for them to just make a little design on them ourselves. We already got a bunch of bags. I think I have American flag bags, some pro bags. So we'll figure out which ones are going to be the best for these boards. But like I said, local neighbor in this neighborhood's making them for us, so should be pretty nice. They make a lot of signs and crafty stuff, so should be pretty cool. And we'll hopefully be able to place some bags here if it doesn't rain, snow, or hail or some shit. Because all it's been doing is snowing and raining. So we did put some weed and feed in the grass, as you guys saw earlier, and I think it's gonna grow pretty good. But shit, what are we doing? What are these? Dude, can you go out of the way, man? What are you doing?
This blanket. It's not his fault you put it there.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Louie! You crackhead. What are we doing?
Opening this thing.
Well, here's the destructions. Dang, that looks lit. Oh, I forgot they don't have any cushions. Do we gotta take that cardboard out? Oh, Jesus, it's not even together?
We gotta put it together.
Man, they can't even put the damn seats and attach them to the fucking bottoms. Okay. Where is there any like holes or anything to screw them into? No shit. Hold on. Well, so they got some like holes right there to put the screws. There's no way that you put this bottom on with a screwdriver. Assembly instructions. What do we need to have? Parts list, hardware. Like legit, that's all they give you is a fucking that one tool. All right, so far only problem we've had is the cheap ass hardware. If you can get this a little bit crooked, it's just rounded it off. That's how I feel. Ah! Baby don't wake up for shit. Alright guys, first chair's put together, second one's on the way. 1, 2, 3. BAM! It's done. Look at that. Much better. So, I think that having it like this with the bench out here so there's no chairs and stuff in the way looks much better than if we had the bench back there and you can't even see it. This way, I mean, there's plenty of room back here. So we could even go this way with it some more, towards the wall. Because there really won't be anything back there. Dang, that smells fucking good. Garlic, like crazy. That's why we didn't get garlic bread, huh? Are we shopping? Alright, anyways. Yeah, I think this is going to be the way it's going to be. Baby's upset, man. You just ate, babies. What are you doing? Yay! Oh, I didn't know she wasn't done.
She kept freaking paying attention to you.
Oh. Because I'm the fucking man. Yep, I think we're just going to leave it like that. So, a little bit on the lighter side of things here. Again, we don't have a lot going on, so whatever we're doing, we're going to be vlogging it. I just decided that kind of after we put together the outdoor table and stuff, which you see right there. So, we're going to have some more stuff to put together today, too. We got a little dresser for the baby came in. What else did I get? Something else we had to put together today.
It's literally just a table and the chairs.
Just a table and the chairs, I guess. This was like 4 boxes, people. 2 boxes for chairs, 1 for the bench, and then 1 for the table, man. There's a lot of shit. So, yeah, I guess that's going to be about it for today. We will be back with you probably in the next few days when we figure out some more stuff. Hopefully we get some stuff in the mail that we can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not really car related, so that kind of sucks because we want to get back into the car content. But again, everything's closed. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the buttons, hit the notification icon so you get every last video. And we'll see y'all later.